Homemade baked soft pretzels recipe. There are few things better than homemade baked foods, and these soft pretzels are no exception. What's more, baking soft pretzels at home is a surprisingly easy feat. It's an excellent way to get your pretzel fix while customizing the size and shape. Make traditional locked pretzels or turn them into buns, twists, or rings. Ingredients: 2 cups warm water, 1 packet active dry yeast, 1 quarter ounces, 4 to 4 1/2 cups all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons olive oil, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 quarter cup baking soda, a large egg, coarse salt, spices are melted but tare for topping, mustard or melt cheese for dipping. Step 1. Add 2 cups of warm water into a large bowl. Sprinkle in the yeast and let it sit for 3 minutes or until it looks puffy. Step 2. Add 2 cups of flour and the oil, sugar and salt. Mix well with a large spoon and then add the remaining 2 cups of flour. Continue mixing. Step 3. Eventually the dough will become thick and you will need to use your hands. You can transfer the dough to a lightly floured surface to knead it. If the dough is too sticky, slowly add more flour. Continue kneading the dough until it feels smooth yet tacky. Step 4. Lightly grease a large bowl. Add the dough and cover the bowl with a damp dishcloth. Let the dough sit in a warm spot for about 1 hour. It should double in size. Gently punch the dough to deflate it. Step 5. From the dough into the 10 to 12 equal-sized balls, each about 3 inches wide. On a lightly floured surface, roll the dough into an 18-inch rube. You will likely need to alternate between rolling and pulling. Step 6. From the rube into a U-shape, place one end on the top of the other, forming a criss-cross. Step 7. Cross the ends once more to create a twist. Step 8. Braid the ends to the bottom of the U, essentially folding down the top half. Press down lightly to secure the shape. Step 9. Line a metal baking sheet with a silicone baking mat or lightly greased parchment paper. Place the pretzel on the sheet and then form the remaining pretzels. Let the pretzels sit until they puff up slightly about 15 to 20 minutes. Step 10. Preheat the oven to 450 Fahrenheit. In a large stainless steel pot, bring 8 cups of water into a boil. Add 1 quarter cup baking soda. Mix to dissolve and then reduce to a simmer. Carefully drop a pretzel into the baking soda bath for 20 seconds. You can also use a slot spatula to submerge each pretzel. After 20 seconds, remove the pretzel with a slot spatula and let excess water drip off. Place it on the baking sheet and repeat when the remaining pretzels. Step 11. If you haven't already, whisk the egg. Liberally brush the egg into each pretzel. Add coarse salt or any other spices you would like. Step 12. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until the pretzels are golden brown. You may need to rotate your baking sheet once halfway to ensure even baking. If you would like, brush your pretzel with melted butter and sprinkle on additional toppings. Serve warm with mustard. Melted cheese are your favorite dip. If you like my video, please like and share.